We're going to a railroad tunnel. Supposedly there's a lot of things that had happened there. We're going to try out the new spirit box there and see how things goes.
It don't feel right. Like it's extremely eerie feeling.
That is wicked looking. Makes for a perfect night for ghost hunting. So we're coming up close to the location. This place is already a little bit on the creepy side. We're way out in the middle of nowhere at this point. Already got kind of that eerie darkness to it. So what do you think, Peyton? You think we need to do this?
Yeah.
And if shit goes bad, check this out. We got us a security dog with us. Tonight we're going to be heading to somewhere seriously creepy. We're going to be going to explore an abandoned train tunnel that many claim is haunted.
Now there are a few stories about this place and none of them are good. Once a family man drove down the track with his family and kids and got hit by a train.
Another story claims that there was a severely depressed man who had ran headfirst straight into the train. But that's not even the scariest part. People claim that they could still hear the train whistles blowing through the tunnel, although there's no trains that run down that track.
They call it the Hell Train. With fire glowing through the windows.
Tonight, we're going to be going inside to find out if any of this is real or not. Stay with us. I think you may be in for a big surprise. Let's go.
Let's go.
All right, let's do it. Come on. We need to try to find a place to pull over.
Where's the tunnel?
This way.
Where?
You're right.
To the right?
Yep.
Down that way?
Mm-hmm.
So neat.
Look how dark it is. We are literally sitting on an abandoned railroad track right now. Look at this.
Yeah.
Oh, you don't want to come with us?
No.
You've had experience with this place.
You guys are on your own on this.
All right, guys, so it's pretty cold out here. I'm gonna grab my jacket. All right, so dude, check it out. It seems like when we left the car, this phone light was working fine. Like you could see.
Yeah.
Look at this.
What
Like,
the heck?
yeah, it's like the light is not even working anymore.
That's crazy.
And we're right about the spot where people start claiming that activity begins. It's like right between these cliff sides, but it's just so freaking dark. Did you notice how it's getting colder?
Yeah.
Like there's a huge temperature difference. And we've only walked like 30, 40 feet.
Whoa, whoa.
What?
This just spiked up and my flashlight started doing something.
The EMF reader?
Yeah, it went to yellow.
Oh, look at this.
That's crazy.
And this is right where
It just
everybody...
like the red. Now it's nothing.
See, this is right where everybody was talking about. They start picking up weird things. It is exactly in this spot. And they say it just gets more wild the farther you go down this track. Look at that. The thing is almost spiky. We haven't even made it to the tunnel yet.
Flashlight. You see it's dimming and crap. It wasn't doing that earlier.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm like. And mine's acting crazy. Look at this. I can't even use it. So already at this point, it's starting to seem like the myths are true about this location, because the story is that once you get about halfway through where these two rock walls are on both sides, right about the middle of that, that's whenever people claim that they start getting weird feelings. The temperature, they claim, drops, and it did.
Yeah, it definitely dropped.
Yeah, and the meter even started spiking exactly at that spot where everybody claims.
Yeah, that's crazy. You know, flashlight. Look how it's working out. It's not even flickering or anything. That's kind of crazy.
Yeah, I know.
I hope so.
Oh, something else about this area is they say that you see like a lot of blackbirds in this area.
Really?
They say there's no blackbirds anywhere. Well, there wouldn't be any blackbirds anywhere, but then when you get here, it's like they're everywhere.
Here goes my flashlight again. Oh yeah.
Your flashlight just went completely out.
Look.
The flashlight is off.
It just went to red.
And it's spiking.
That's kind of crazy.
Okay, so I'm starting to think that the flashlights, the flashlights aren't just bad flashlights. Like there's something interfering with the flashlights.
It's literally spiking up.
Yeah.
It's like it's falling there.
You bring the ghost box, right? Look at this. Oh my God, that is maxed out.
What the heck?
That just completely spiked all the way up to red. Look at this.
It's messing with my flashlight too.
Oh my God. Yeah. Look, let's get to this tunnel, because now I'm curious to know what all really is going on down here.
I was just saying how my flashlight was doing good.
It was, yeah. Mine was the one acting weird. Now mine's acting right, and yours is constantly off and on at the same time that the EMF reader is spiking. All right, guys, we're going to continue on down the tracks, get a little bit closer to this tunnel.
I think it's leading us. When we're walking, it goes to red or something, like spikes up. Now it's doing nothing. But now it's nothing.
Yeah, it's funny because you was just talking about, is it leading us? Like, and then
it just
it spiked when you said that, and then all of a sudden it just stopped.
There it goes again.
We're nearly to the tunnel.
Crazy. Like it hasn't stopped.
Wow.
I literally think it's falling. Like,
I have rarely seen this thing do this. Like, I have seen it spike to red, yes, but never like this. Look at that thing. It is going crazy.
It's going crazy.
We're not even there yet.
I know. It's like every time I walk, my phone turns on, but it's not doing it now. I don't know. It's weird.
What do you mean, like the phone's like glitching?
It like turns on like that.
Oh, it just did.
It's like that.
The phone just came on by its, and now it went up by itself. What?
No, I turned it off. I turned it off. Yeah.
Oh, you turned it off.
Yeah, I turned it off.
But it still came on by itself.
It's on coming like that.
What?
It's like the red.
It spiked red at the same time the phone just came on?
It's not the phones.
What?
I don't think it's the phones.
Hey, what is that? Ah, it's a can. Never mind. False alarm.
Holy crap, look behind.
I know, it's so dark. We need to invest in some better lights. I don't know, something else is just strangely eerie about this place. So the phone literally, well, the camera literally just shut off during that conversation. We're hearing so many strange noises out here.
I wanna go in if something crazy does happen.
Well, we'll continue walking then. Guess we'll see what happens.
I don't know. It looks like I don't know if I'm tripping, but it looks like a shadow or something, man. Like swimming down.
You seen a shadow?
I don't know. It's like real. I don't know if my eyes are playing tricks. It's like at the end of the hole.
I know, that's the way this place is. It's like you don't know if you're seeing something for real or if it's just your eyes playing tricks on you. It's the same way with your ears. Like it's so eerie looking. We have multiple flashlights right now we're using. And it's still extremely dark. Can't see the tunnel yet.
It gets your nerves all shot up. It's like, I don't know.
Yeah, you could feel it. Yeah, trees on the track. Yeah, there's the proof that this is abandoned. Look, there's like trees on the track.
I'm not catching it.
No, look.
What the heck?
I mean, that's the tunnel there, but it's like, look how dark it is.
Yeah.
See, that's the tunnel. Like, it is dark. There it is. We've made it to the tunnel. Super dark inside of this tunnel. Alright, so we have the EMF reader out. See if we can pick up something. This flashlight's still going crazy.
You get the one?
No. What is this? Look at this.
Slenderman or something.
Always watches, no
Always.
eyes. Do what you want.
The only one here knows. I keep on turning around because I'm hearing this. Water, I guess.
I don't know.
I hope so.
I have no idea. Yeah, there's like ticking noises.
Yeah. Is this supposed to do it on the phones?
No, the phone won't make it do anything. Nothing. Hold up. We're getting spikes. You feel like what?
Lightheaded and like I feel like every time it's like I'm gonna throw up. Weird.
Yeah, I know. I keep getting that feeling too sometimes. As soon as we turned around and started walking the other direction to find out.
I started
To find out what was going on with the cell phones. And the farther we got away, the better we felt. And then as soon as we started coming back this direction, it's like the pressure was there again. Are you getting anything on the reader?
No, not really.
Jeez, how far down this tunnel are we?
Where's that little place you said you wanted to go? Right here?
This is one spot that she was talking about. This is about halfway through the tunnel that she was mentioning.
I don't know if you want to go all the way now.
Whoa. Yeah, move your phone away from the EMF. Because that thing just spiked.
I'm just making sure.
It's on, ain't it?
Yeah, it's on. Is it? Yeah, it's on.
It is?
Yeah, I think. What did it run at David?
No, no. It's like completely quiet all of a sudden. Yeah, because just a few moments ago, I seen it spiked. I don't know if I caught it on the camera or not, but it just spiked. And this is right around the spot that she was talking about.
We should set up here. This. I don't know where you want to set that.
Set it over by the EMF reader. So this is just a simple cat toy. If there's any spirits here, you could touch this ball and it will light up. Is there any spirits here? If there's any spirits here, touch the ball. We are told that there's spirits here. Something's here because we keep getting it on the EMF reader. If there's a spirit here and would like for us to know that you're here, touch the ball. My ears are ringing. Your ears are ringing too? Yeah, so, at the same time? My ears just started like ringing, dude. Like when I asked that question, my ears started ringing.
Who was?
I don't know, I just got like a strange gut feeling like something was just pulling at my belly.
That's how it was.
Almost like lightheaded at the same time.
Yeah.
What was that? Did you hear that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I know I'm not chirping.
I was just hearing stuff earlier and I thought it was.
Did we leave the ball?
No, I got the ball.
Oh.
I left my water though. If I want to drink that, you can.
Who are you, Peanut? Oh, hold up. This thing just do something? Yes, it's spiking right there. I just had a spike. It's moving. What's that?
I don't know.
My phone just shut off again.
My phone's
I had to restart it.
acting up. Yeah.
Does that light seem like it's kind of dim to you?
Yeah.
Hope the batteries aren't dead. I didn't think about changing the batteries. It's got juice. Well, let's try to continue on down towards the end of the tunnel.
I'm gonna leave this ball right here with y'all spirits. You wanna play with it, so I just make it light up, y'all can. Make noises or something. And there's nothing to listen over here.
It's almost as if maybe they don't want to be bothered. Yeah, I mean, I keep feeling like there's something on that end of the tunnel that's watching us. I just keep feeling that.
I don't know, I just felt like breeze. It's like a gust of wind.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I was feeling that. The CMF reader, once in a while, it's got like a huge spike. Did I just hear a bird? I'm getting a really eerie feeling about this spot right here. Feels depressing, like you almost just want to cry.
I know. It's sad. Now I just feel sad.
We're at the end of the tunnel. EMF reader isn't doing anything now. Like, we had more activity on the way here
Then actually in here.
than actually inside the tunnel.
What, do you want to try the spirit box? You want to go back here? Or?
Yeah, let's walk back this way. I swear I just heard a whisper in my ear.
No.
I swear I just heard a whisper in my ear. I think, yeah, let's get the spirit box out. And we'll try that. Right, I'm standing here recording this. And with this, that side of the tunnel behind me, it just feels like, yeah, just your standard spirit box. This is the newest version. Something's trying to come through.
Is anyone here?
If there's any spirits here, you can speak through the spirit box. You can say anything you want to say. Is there a spirit in this tunnel? Can you speak to us through the spirit box?
I know it takes a lot of energy, but
Let's sit here. Let me see something. Oh, I just spiked. First can?
is there anyone here? Any spirit?
There we go. Try that. Any spirits here, if you would like to communicate, go.
What is it, go?
You don't want to communicate?
I don't know what this is.
Oh, no, I didn't catch it.
Do you want to communicate with us?
What'd it say? Normally, it's not that quiet.
No.
Let's walk on up and see if it says anything.
I don't know what this is. I can't imagine. Do you like us being here? Happy, right?
Happier?
Do you get much visitors? Do you want us to talk to you? What is it? Nothing. Traffic.
Traffic?
Did an old train run through here? Help me.
Without me?
Help me. I think I said help me.
Did it say help me?
Did you die in this location?
I know, it's so cold. Hold on.
You did not hear that? Want to talk to us? You just said go again. Pioneer.
Pioneer? Was you a pioneer?
Headlight.
These tracks are very, very old. Was you a pioneer? I just heard gravel shuffle around. You heard that too?
What happened here?
I didn't catch it. Walking back this direction, the opposite direction now.
My water's gone.
And I'm starting to feel a little better. What do you mean the water's gone?
My water is gone.
What?
No, I'm not even joking. I'm not even saying. Wait. No,
This is where we was,
I left it on this rail.
right? It's where Peanut sucks. Did you find it? No. Okay, the water bottle is gone. And we just got something else to come through that. Yeah, it is. I completely forgot about the water bottle. What? There is no way that the water bottle just disappeared. Well, did you grab the ball?
Yeah, I got the ball and stuff. I left my water bottle there.
Yeah, it's gone. I don't even see it anywhere.
Search.
It just said search. Yeah, we're searching for the water bottle. Do you know where the water bottle is? Dude, that water bottle is gone. Oh, we didn't come this far.
Look. Inside the thing that was like a wall.
Yeah,
And we stopped there.
it was right where we was.
Will you communicate with us? I'd like to communicate with you and get to know your story.
No, you have a story to tell if you would like to share it with us. A lot of people is worried about coming into this tunnel because they think that the spirits here are dangerous. Do you know anything about that? Wait, is that the water bottle?
We were here?
I know. You didn't leave it this far back. Did you?
I don't know. I thought it was closer.
I thought it was at the other hole.
I thought it was here.
Maybe it was here. I don't know. Well, we're not seeming to be picking up much on the EMF reader. In the spirit box, we are picking up a little bit, but we're not picking up nearly what we expected to. Best time to come here is on a full moon. And it's a full moon. It's almost like something's trying to say something.
Awesome.
There's lunch. Are you hungry?
No, I'm good.
Yeah. Can you tell us if the most activity is further down the track, approaching the tunnel? It's completely quiet.
Is something not letting you talk?
I was under the impression that there's some kind of a ritual thing going on here because crossed to the other side, the Slender Man. Yeah, right here. See that? It's like right across from it. Has people been doing stuff here that you don't like? Maybe you're just trying to scare people away to leave you alone so you'll have some peace. It's almost like it doesn't want to communicate with us. Because it told us earlier, it said go away.
Sometimes.
Yeah. And then whenever we
Run.
run, you want us to run? Did it say go away twice? And then it said, whenever we started walking back, it said keep walking.
Basically like to run.
Oh, that's right. I said, is there something here that's dangerous? And then you asked for something keeping you from talking, and then it said run.
And again, that's something. We're getting more stuff as we're walking down.
Yeah, as we're walking out. And this is where they say that the legend is there was a family that was hit by a train in a car. The father had drove down the railroad track. The train had blown its whistle. And then the train smashed into the car, killing everybody in it. And we got a reaction from that. Is that who we're speaking to right now?
Listen closely as you can hear what sounds like the faint train whistles blowing in the distance. Right after we heard the train whistles blowing, we'd seen the driver was motioning us with the flashlight. We was thinking that there was something bad going on in her area, so we took off running in that direction to find out what was going on. On the way back, we heard the train whistles blow again. Listen closely.
Those are train whistles again.